How to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet, first, launch Tonkeeper app on your phone. Once it's open, simply log in using your fingerprint or passcode. Once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you will see various types of options. Here you'll find the swap button. Tap on the swap button on the home page. This will take you to the swap page, where you should see Toncoin selected already. If it's not selected, just tap on the coin that's currently displayed. In the search bar, type Ton and make sure Toncoin is selected. Now tap on the Receive button. Since we want to swap our Toncoin to USDT, select USDT from the list. If you don't see USDT, use the search bar at the top to find USDT, which stands for Tether USD. Now, enter the amount of Toncoin you want to convert into USDT. The app will automatically show you the equivalent amount in USDT. Before confirming the swap, tap on the drop-down arrow to view transaction details. This includes the fee you'll pay and the exchange route. Finally, if you're happy with the details, tap on the Swap button at the bottom of the screen. This will complete your swap from Toncoin to USDT. And that's it. You've successfully swapped your Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. And this is how to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.